I just picked up some really fresh scallops. I'm talking so fresh that I had to wait for them to be brought off the boat. And I've got a great recipe to share with you. It is fast, it is easy, it takes just a couple of ingredients. So once I get back to the house, I'll start cooking. Alright, so this recipe is spicy garlic scallops, and let me show you the ingredients. Fresh scallops. If you can't find fresh, go ahead and use frozen. Just thaw them and then pat them dry, really dry, with a paper towel. Butter, fresh chopped parsley, fresh garlic, salt, pepper, and today I'm using a habanero lime pepper medley. This one's really good. Of course, you've got your EVOO and a fresh lemon. So while I get the skillet hot, add the olive oil. You want to coat them really well. Your salt. Pepper. And your hot stuff. I like a lot, so it's going to be kind of spicy. Mix that all together. Now you want to do this in a cast iron skillet, and you want to get it smoking hot. Now I'll be honest with you, until February I've never even tried scallops. I always thought I didn't like them. But I was in Colorado with visiting some friends of mine, Ben and Ashley, and Ben is an excellent cook. And he whipped up some scallops one night. I looked at them thinking, ugh, but I tried them, I loved them, and I've been cooking them pretty much every week since. So the skillet is hot. Add you a nice chunk of butter. And toss in your scallops. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, just as soon as this hits the pan, I'm going to start coughing. I do it every time. Even if it's just sliced jalapenos, I start coughing. See? All right, you want to let these saute until they're brown, that you want a nice little crisp to them. Once they've got that on one side, I'll flip them over. I love cooking in cast iron, and my friend Carl told me if I ever come across Griswold cast iron that I need to pick it up. And this past May I was in Westfield, New York, home of Welch's grape juice, Welch's grape jelly, preserves. Anyway, I happened into a little antique shop, and right there was this skillet with the lid for $55. I picked it up, and it is my favorite skillet now. Yeah, it does look kind of grungy on the outside. I don't want to clean it off. I kind of like that. It gives it some character. Now, if you don't like scallops like I thought I didn't, you can use the same recipe on shrimp. Just get 1.5 pounds of, I would do large, peeled and deveined shrimp with the tail on, and it's absolutely delicious. You can also add some pasta to it. Boil some water, add a lot of salt. Once it's boiling, add your pasta. You want the pasta to have a little bite to it, so al dente. When it's done, scoop out about a cup of the pasta water, because it's got the starch in it. Drain the pasta, add it to the skillet, add a little bit of the pasta water to make everything kind of marry together, and it's excellent. All right, these look great, so I'm going to add the garlic. You want to add the garlic at the end because you don't want it to brown too much. You just want it to add flavor to the butter. And I'll Give that a toss around. Now your lemon. Now before you squeeze the lemon, always roll it nice and firmly, because that way you'll get a lot more juice out of it. So let me get this plated. Add some of the parsley. And there you have it, spicy garlic scallops. It's gonna be hot. That's really good. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. If you like the video, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.